In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Anydesk online step by step so you can connect to another computer quickly and securely from anywhere. Whether you're helping a friend, accessing your own office PC, or providing remote support, this guide will walk you through the full process in a simple way. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, make sure both computers are connected to the internet. This is the most important starting point because Anydesk needs an active connection on both devices to work properly. Before doing anything else, open a browser on each computer and confirm that websites load normally. If either device has a weak or unstable connection, the remote session may lag, disconnect, or fail to connect altogether. A stable internet connection makes the whole process much smoother. Next, open Anydesk on both computers. On each device, launch the Anydesk application and wait a few moments for it to fully load. Once the software is open, you'll see the main interface where the remote connection details are displayed. If the app is still loading or not responding, give it a second to finish starting up before moving on. This helps avoid mistakes when entering the remote address. Now, go to the computer you want to connect to. On that remote computer, look for the section that says this desk or your address. This is where Anydesk shows the device's unique ID or address. Copy that number exactly as it appears. This address is what allows another device to find and connect to that specific computer. If you enter the wrong ID, you won't connect to the correct device, so take a moment to double check it. After that, switch back to your computer. In Anydesk, you'll see a field labeled Remote Desk. Click inside that field and enter the remote computer's Anydesk address or ID. Once the address is typed in, click Connect. Anydesk will then begin sending the request to the remote device. This is the moment where the connection process starts, so make sure the address is correct before continuing. On the remote computer, a connection request will appear. The person using that computer will need to review the request and decide whether to allow access. They should check the permissions carefully so they understand what the remote session will be able to do. When they are ready, they should click Accept to start the session. As soon as the request is approved, the remote desktop connection will begin, and you'll be able to see and control the other computer depending on the permissions granted. Once connected, you can begin working remotely just like you were sitting in front of the other device. You can help troubleshoot issues, open files, adjust settings, or guide someone step by step. Just remember that remote access is powerful, so always connect only to trusted devices and confirm you have permission before starting any session. That keeps everything safe and secure. And that's how to use Anydesk online. It's a simple process. Once you understand the steps, connect both devices to the internet, open Anydesk, find the remote address, enter it on your computer, and accept the connection request on the other side. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more practical tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.